You have 4 categories. You got the appearance of the 10.0 self. He's 220 pounds. He has a full leg sleeve, both arms, a neck sleeve. He's aesthetic, he's handsome, he's poised, dominant, assertive, and confident. And he wears expensive jewelry. Next is the actions of your 10.0 self. For the actions, he doesn't drink, doesn't smoke, he doesn't stay out late, he doesn't partake in any vices. He's a committed man. He only engages in committed relationships with one partner. He wakes up early, he works out every day, he meditates, veins are busting out, and he stays in top tier shape. Okay, so then there's energy. The third category is energy. He has an overwhelming gusto and vigor. That's the compression. But he also has compassion. He's vulnerable. When people are around him, they can surrender and accept the authentic moment, the present moment of what is, not what should be. That's the energy of the 10.0 self. And then the character. 2 things. He's honest and he's accountable. Mainly to himself, but also with others, in that order. So his character that he lives by, he will never deviate from this character. He never does others the massive disservice of accommodating their shortcomings. So meaning he doesn't hold back, or like if somebody's living below their potential and he can help them, he finds a way to step in the way of their deviations from their 10.0 self. And that's the whole point of self-transcendence, is to not just live for yourself, but to be your best self and then help others become their best self. Of this 4th category, building the character of your 10.0 self, is he uses adversity to pull something out of himself that was lying dormant, had to become in order to rise up. And he helps others do the same. And he doesn't let anyone in his circle live to less. So he's a full-time, living, breathing pattern interruption. And he's a pattern interruption first by his testimony. So for me, it would be my story of moving from a small town in Ohio to California and now to Mexico. Defying all the odds in every area of my life. Being that skinny, insecure kid who just wished he had more muscle but didn't ever think he could do it. Finance-wise, the same thing. Lacking finances growing up and knowing that until he fulfilled that need, he wouldn't be his 10.0 self. And also being fatherless and lacking that guidance and finding out how to live his life to his fullest potential on his own, and then helping other people who are fatherless. Athens in the building. King Cool, what's up, bro? So that's one of my biggest ones, is overcoming fatherlessness. And through that testimony, I'm a walking pattern interrupt as that 10.0 self. But also, through my early wake time, which for me right now is 4:30 a.m., I'll probably never go later than that. My daily meditation and my strenuous workout, constructing the conduct of that 10.0. Also through his feedback with others. So he lived a testimony, a story of overcoming so great that other people had no choice but to be inspired by it. But then he still goes, he's never satisfied by that self-actualization. He then realizes his true purpose is to help others to do that same thing. And so he transcends himself, helps others to self-actualize, and daily he lives by that through his conduct as well as helping other people. Ooh, and that's it, you guys. That's the 10.0 self. Appearance, actions, energy, and character. You guys really should get a piece of paper, get a journal, and write this out for yourself, and then live by it every day.